Hello, welcome. This is Wendy with loveandstampin.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute simple card using the Color Splash Challenge for the week. And so this is one of the cards I made. This is a shaker card. And all I did is I used the little bitty triangles here and cut multiple times out of each color and put them in their respective window. So if you're interested in seeing how to create this shaker card, let me know and I'll do a video on how to create one of these. And then this one is super simple. It's just a repeating pattern using the colors together with a small triangle. And then the happy birthday is stamped in Night of Navy. And then we're going to make another one. And we're using Ridiculously Awesome. And this is the triangles that I used. I hope I haven't been saying rectangles this whole time. Okay, so I've got my piece of cardstock here cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And oh, I just realized it's got a score line down the middle of it. That's not going to work. Let's grab another one. That's so random. I don't know how I got that. Okay, so we're gonna cut this at 4, and you'll have to excuse my fingernails. If you're watching my video for the very first time and you've never seen any of my other videos, you would know it's extremely rare that I don't have painted nails, but I just didn't get my act together in time today. Okay, so make today ridiculously awesome. I'm going to flip it over, and this is a really fun, kind of a beginner technique, and it's great to do if you don't have all the ink pads and you purchase the full set of the mini Marvelous markers. This is a really great way for you to get a lot of color out of your stamps. So this works best on a red rubber stamp. This is a cling stamp. And I am just going to take the brush tip of the marker and brush it right over. I'm actually even going to go into the T a little bit. The area that I want to be Flirty Flamingo. And then we'll brush that. And then we're going to go with Night of Navy for Ridiculously. And I will say some stamp sets lend themselves better to this technique than others. So for sure, just kind of be aware that some stamp sets don't work as well if they're not spaced out nicely, like this one is. And this is $1 million stamp set. So when you reach $1 million in career sales with Stampin' Up, you get to go to the home office, you get a $10,000 bonus, and you get to design your own stamp set. So I just breathed on it like you would breathe on a window to fog up a car. Fog up a window. Ooh, Wendy's nasty. Thinking about fogging up car windows. Good Lord, have mercy. I'm not 21. Okay, so there's that. And then you have this beautifully stamped image in several colors. I went ahead and pre-cut a bunch of these little, what do you call these? Banners. And so I'm just going to glue a few of them onto the card because to me it looked kind of like party, birthday-ish, happy times. So I'm going to glue this down here. And then I'm just going to keep going kind of with random randomness. So I don't know if you guys have been able to hear the little tip-tap toes of Miss Truvy, my dog, but she's in here with me and she's wanting to get out, I think. She wants to leave. But I'm in the middle of recording this video, so I can't do that right now, Miss Truvy. You're just gonna have to hang out with me for a few more minutes. She's being very impatient, that lady. That little lady is. Okay, and then I'm just gonna do one right here. And like I said, I'm being totally random about this. You could put a lot more thought into it if you desired to, but I just kind of wanted little random banner pieces kind of going all over the place. So that's what I'm doing. And I kind of stamped the sentiment off to one side. I'm sure you noticed, so that and then I'm actually just going to take this pen and draw a line right here. So it looks like it's reaching all the way up there. Okay, I think that's it. I actually don't think I'm going to add any more to it. I'm just going to keep it super simple. Trim off the excess here. All the way around. And then I will add this to my card base, just like this, and I'm done. And you could take a separate piece of cardstock and stick it behind here if you wanted to give it a little bit more depth and feel. But that's it. That's a super cute card, all done, finished using all 4 of the colors. And these 2, of course, are my favorites, I have to admit. So if you're interested in seeing a video on how to make a shaker card that's like this, let me know and I can work on something for you. So drop me comments below and I will catch you guys next time. Bye.